Creating white label marketing materials in Vendasta is incredibly easy and can take your branding to the next level. Whether you're looking to create materials for your own brand or resell services to clients, this quick guide will show you how to use Vendasta's platform to build custom marketing assets. Stick around till the end, as I'll also share a special extended free trial for Vendasta with exclusive bonuses just for you. First things first, Vendasta allows you to white label its marketing materials seamlessly. You get access to a suite of pre-built templates, so you don't need to start from scratch. You can quickly edit these templates to match your brand's look and feel. To start, simply navigate to the Marketplace section and select the marketing materials you want to customize. Here, you'll find brochures, flyers, email templates, and more. Next thing, after selecting your template, click on it to open the editor. This is where the magic happens. The editor allows you to tweak text, colors, and logos, so everything looks 100% branded to you. You can upload your logo and adjust colors to match your brand's color scheme. It's straightforward, and the interface is user-friendly, which means you won't waste any time figuring things out. The third thing you can do is add your unique content to these materials. Whether it's promotional text or a custom image, you can easily personalize everything. Add your own product descriptions, special offers, or whatever you want to highlight in the materials. Just drag and drop elements into place, and you're ready to roll. The fourth thing you'll love about creating white label marketing materials in Vendasta is the ability to download them for offline use or share them directly with clients. Once you're happy with the materials, you can download them in various formats, like PDF or PNG, so they're ready for print or digital distribution. Or, if you're looking to send them to clients right away, you can share them through email or other marketing channels directly from the platform. Another great feature is the built-in tools for tracking the performance of your marketing materials. Vendasta offers analytics, so you can see how well your materials are doing once they're live. Whether you're sending out email campaigns or sharing flyers, the analytics will give you insight into what's working and what might need tweaking. And here's something that sets Vendasta apart. It's not just about white labeling. It's about providing the tools to scale your marketing efforts. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a larger team, the platform integrates with your existing CRM, making it easier than ever to create, manage, and track marketing materials for all your clients. To wrap up, if you're looking to create custom, white-labeled marketing materials effortlessly, Vendasta has got you covered. From pre-built templates to the easy-to-use editor and built-in analytics, everything you need is right at your fingertips. And remember, I've got an exclusive extended free trial for you with extra bonuses. Just click the link in the description to get started today.